What's up everyone? Today we're going to tackle a very important matter, being stuck at home. Now I'm sure most of you are still working from home or lazing at home because you're waiting to be fully vaccinated. But just because you're being a good citizen by staying at home doesn't mean you have to live a boring life. So today I'm going to tell you how to entertain yourself at home with just a single product. The Reno6 Z. Now sit back and enjoy. The best way to not be bored at home is to not be alone. It's always better when you have someone to annoy in your life. But I'm not saying to go and meet your friends and spread COVID, okay? Everything can be done virtually now, and that includes staying connected to others. Force your friends to accompany you when you're bored, spam call them, or even better, video call them and just go do your own things while you're both on the call. You just need to feel their presence. But it doesn't always have to be a video call. You can always invite your friends and family for game nights. The Reno6 Z is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 800U chip and has a 6.4-inch AMOLED screen. So no worries, you'll have a screen large enough to see your enemies and a phone powerful enough that can carry you in-game. All you need now is some talents and skills so your friends won't complain that you keep feeding. Your phone can also bring you new experiences and knowledge because everything is on the internet now. You don't even have to move an inch to learn a new skill or to pick up a new hobby. Just sit on your couch and watch tutorials or read up on COVID vaccination so when the day comes, you actually know the procedures and can prepare for whatever side effects that may come. With the Reno6 Z, there's no need to worry about your phone's battery. Its 4310 mAh battery supports 30-watt Bokeh flash charge. So even if your phone is running out of juice, you can get it to a full charge in less than an hour. Don't know what to do while waiting for your phone to charge? Clean your house and prepare your meals. Speaking of which, I know many of you are dying to go outside again. Staying at home can feel restricted like we're in our own prisons, and that's why sharing our lives online gives us a sense of belonging, like we're in a community. And the best way to do that? Photos and video. The Reno6 Z has a 64-megapixel camera on the back and a 32-megapixel camera on the front. You can shoot up to 4K and make use of features like dual view video and focus tracking so you can shoot alone with ease. You can show others a glimpse into your life and how it has changed due to the pandemic. For example, learning how to cut your own hair or becoming a crazy plant lady. Yes, that's me, but I'm sure I'm not the only one, right? I'm sure most of you have different roles now, maybe a crazy cat lady, a full-time dog walker, or a fitness freak. You may also miss going out and exploring different places to take your Insta-worthy shots. Well, you can do that even when you're home. This phone has something called Bokeh Flare Portrait, and basically it turns your background into bokeh effects. All you need is some lights, makeup, and the phone. Now, I'm not talking about studio light or anything like that. I'm saying just turn on the TV and play some random video. And if you're lazy, you don't even need makeup. The Reno6 Z has strong AI beautification to fix that. One thing I bet everyone misses is the dine-in experience. Korean BBQ, steamboat, buffet, banana leaf, sushi! But you can't just recreate it. Cook up a fancy meal at home and prep your dining table so it feels like you're actually in a restaurant. Film your cooking and share it to the world. Show them what a master chef you've become. With the Reno6 Z's extra HD mode and flash snapshot technology, you can take super clear photos in an instant and share it on your Instagram. Here's a tip, make sure you're well fed before you go for your vaccination because many of my friends told me they become really hungry after getting jabbed. So yes, eat before you go. And there you have it, this is how the Reno6 Z can keep you accompanied while you're waiting to be fully vaccinated. Lucky me, that day is today, so I'm just gonna finish up my food and get ready to fight COVID.
5 minutes later.
Oh, right. So you can get the Reno6 Z at 1,699 ringgit And there's Merdeka sales now until September 19. So if you get this phone, you can get the Anko Air for 150 ringgit. The usual price is 299 ringgit, so you're saving 149 ringgit. And there's a one-to-one giveaway. If you buy the Reno6 Z or Reno6, you'll get a free Reno6 gift box. And if you buy the Reno6 Pro, you'll get a free Marshall backpack and an OPPO tumbler. Last but not least, you'll also get the chance to join Lucky Draw and win prizes worth up to 100,000 ringgit by just purchasing any OPPO products. Anyways, I'm gonna go get jabbed now. You guys should make sure that you get vaccinated too. But until then, stay safe and stay home.